What a mess. Ignore the mess, but let's focus on this. This is what we're going to be testing today. I'm very excited. This is version 3, and it's going to be, it's going to be great. We've got version 4 coming as well, so we're doing well. This, by the way, is our RADiCool project. So this is version 1. We started off big box like this. We put PCM panels in there. There's the one below as well. Version 2 over here, which is a slightly smaller one, because that one was just a bit wieldy and it wasn't giving us the cooling we wanted, so we switched over to this one. And then this teeny tiny one. But this is basically helping us to test the theory of the product. So let me just talk you through that. My name's Tim. I'm here at RADS in Uganda. We're a fish farm hub, and I just want to show you about the RADiCool and just what it does. So I think there's some previous videos. Have a look at those to give you a fuller understanding of this project. But it's very exciting that we're getting to this phase 3, which should give us some good lab results. Now we want to see it out in the field. So let me talk you through the various functions. So lots of equipment on this. So you can let's ignore the lid for now, and focus on the box. So the box, obviously it's quite small, and that's by design because we're just trying to test the principle here. So we've got this is phase change material, or PCM. So inside is a saline solution and it's frozen, so it's rock hard. It was liquid before and it's like minus 20 plus. And then we've got these, which are PCM pouches, so again, liquid inside. And we're trying to simulate, what we're going to do is put fish in here, and then it's very cold. And then these will be distributed amongst the fish. And then how do we measure how it's performing? Well, this is an insulated box with the PCM, so this will do the cooling of the fish. So it'll go in at maybe 20, it's quite cold today, so maybe 21. We'll see how it goes. We've got here this device, which an IoT enabled device, so Internet of Things. And it's got a GPS, so it tells us where the box is. We've got a temperature probe inside, and we've got these 2 temperatures here, so we can see exactly the temperature. There's a little screen here that gives you the readout, so you can't, that's flashing for you, but for me I can read that. It says 4.3 degrees, 5.4, and then the outside temperature is 21 degrees. So I'll put this on top. Sam, do you want to give me a hand? We'll just put this on top and we'll close up the box. And then we'll transport this and we're going to put fish in it, and then we'll see how the fish performs over time. Thanks, Sam. And it should give us an indication of where we're at with fish and the performance and things like that. The good thing about this is it sends the data up to the cloud, so I can actually monitor this on my phone. There's an app, and Samuel's got the other app as well. So can put it off to feed our fish with maggots. Right, let's see you at the farm, and then you can see how it's performing. At the site, and we're looking at the fish that we've got. I'll show you what this is in a second. Just a little solar powered pump, I think. There's a pump end. What's in here, Sam? Oh, these are the fish. Okay, so we have a few fish. Okay, any more? Or are these the ones? These Niloticus. I don't think. Well, I think it might be Aureus. Anyway, we have tilapia. That's the important thing. Maybe a different subspecies. So it's quite a little pond, really nice and green, which is wonderful. This is the colour you want. You can see the green leaves here. I think these stakes, perhaps sometimes people put stakes like that and put food behind. And then Sam's just going in to collect some fish. But I'll do a separate video about this pond. But the idea here is we're going to test the RADiCool box. So we just needed some fish to do that. And this is one of our local farmers. They're only a few kilometres away. So we're going to test the fish going in and the temperature. These are some of the smaller fish. Yeah. What size do you think these ones are? 20 grams, okay. Yeah. This is mixed sex pond. Yeah, so that's where we've got all the different size fingerlings. And in that bag, we've got much bigger fish. So these ones, do you think we should take, what do you want to do with these ones? Are you going to put them back? Yeah. I think we'll take 40 grams and above. So I think that one there, that's for the RADiCool, we can maybe take. Yeah, maybe. Do we have some scales with us? Okay, then we'll measure them. That's 26. That's a bit small for us. So we took some of the ones in there, and they're like 40 grams and 50 grams. So we have this project that we're trying to do, fish powder. So we're going to use these size fish to do that. So that's a bit too small still. This is our RADiCool box in the field. Let's check the temperatures. So we've got -12 in there, -9.5, and outside is 30. So it's doing its job so far. It's a 40-degree difference in temperature. Of course, we've not added any fish yet. So we've got some big fish over there. We've got some small fish there because we've got a fish powder project that we're trying to do. Let's go and put some fish in there and see what happens. We're just loading up the box. So Sam's just putting the fish in. You can see here we've got some fish. So put this one down, Sam. And we've got a thermometer inside it. Oh, goats are going past. Then we'll put this lid on, like this. And then the temperature here. So it was, when we started, it's 37 at the moment. And inside, I can see, so sensor 1 is 25 degrees, and that's the fish. So that's the temperature of the fish that we put in there. And then there's a sensor 2 is at 4.9. So the rest of the box where it's touching the PCM, it's colder. But then inside the fish it's at 25. And then we want to see the temperature of that fish. Is it going to go down? Is it not? So we'll just watch over time, see how that does. Let's close this up. Right, and then we're going to track it and take it back and just see if this works. So this is a small version, like I said. So we've probably only got a couple of kilos in there, I would think. Good morning to you. So we're quite excited because it has actually worked. You'll see here that the temperature is 5 degrees and it's outside is 20. So this has been overnight. The really exciting thing was probably that when we did this, within 4 hours, it dropped to 2 degrees, which is just really wonderful, and we're very, very excited about it. So let's open it up and then we'll have a look at what's going on in the fish inside. Here's the fish. We're about to clean and gut them. So these fish haven't been, you can see the thermometer in there. These fish haven't been cleaned or gutted yet, so we'll do that. But look how fresh they look. And it's been, well, it's 1 p.m. when we landed them. It's now 7 in the morning. And, you know, if you were a trader, you could happily go around selling this fish today because it's the start of the working day by the time it's, you know, been moved and transported. So this is really fantastic news. We are very thrilled that we've got this version 3 working, but exciting for us is we've still got version 4 to come, which is a big improvement yet again. Fortunately, this particular pot of money, Efficiency for Access, have been so wonderful for us from the Energy Saving Trust. That pot of money has expired. It was a 12-month project. We've done everything we needed to do in 12 months. We've actually over-delivered on what we promised, which is fantastic for this project because we want to go as fast as we can with the resources that we get. So big thanks to them for their support. That's them off for another RADiCool test. But thank you very much for watching. Me and Pauson are going about our day. We've got some more projects to do. But yeah, that's great news that it's working so far, and that's them heading off to do another test. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.